Our first word of the day week has officially wrapped up. I would like to start ending each week with a short story demonstrating how the words of the day from the week can be used. Just a quick reminder, our 7 words this week were disparate, cavalcade, immaculate, scrupulous, factotum, ingratiate, and cahoots. Now, let's begin our story. Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a group of dwarves. They were a disparate bunch, each with their unique quirks and talents. One day, a grand cavalcade of visitors came to their village, and the dwarves were tasked with ensuring that everything was immaculate for their guests. The leader of the dwarves, a scrupulous fellow named Grump, assigned his trusted factotum, a dwarf named Dopey, to oversee the preparations. Dopey was always eager to please and took his job very seriously. As the dwarves worked tirelessly, Dopey noticed that one of the guests was particularly interested in their precious gemstones. The guest, a sly merchant named Sneaky, attempted to ingratiate himself with the dwarves, hoping to gain their trust and get his hands on their valuable resources. Dopey, being the astute factotum that he was, realized that Sneaky was up to no good and alerted Grump. Grump, knowing that Sneaky was in cahoots with a band of thieves, decided to take action. The dwarves came up with a plan to trick Sneaky and his accomplices. They filled a chest with fake gems, pretending it was the real treasure, and let the thieves take it. As the thieves left, they thought they had made a fortune, but when they opened the chest, they found nothing but worthless stones. The dwarves had successfully outsmarted them and protected their valuable resources. In the end, the dwarves were praised for their hard work and quick thinking. The visitors left impressed, and the dwarves knew that they could always count on each other to keep their village safe from harm. And so, the lesson was learned. Never underestimate the power of a group of scrupulous dwarves working together to protect their treasures. The end. If you all liked that story, please like the video to let me know. If you would like notifications for the word of the day or weekly short stories, consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell.